So this science episode is all about balloons. We're going to be doing a lot of fun experiments using balloons. We're also going to learn about electricity. So I'm really excited. So let's get started.
Have you ever rubbed a balloon on your head? What happens? When you rub a balloon on your head, your hair sticks straight up. But why? Let's look closely and zoom in on a strand of hair to see why this happens. Our hair is made up of positive and negative particles. You can see I drew plus and minus signs. When you rub a balloon on your hair, all of the minus signs jump to the balloon. This leaves your hair to stand straight up. These particles are very tiny, so you can't see them with your eyes. This is called static electricity. You can see static electricity by rubbing a balloon on your head and sticking it to a wall. It'll stick because the plus and the minus go together. Static electricity also works on the slide at the playground. Sometimes when you go down the slide on a cold day, your hair will stick up after it. This is because of electricity.
Okay, so before we start our experiments, let's learn how to charge a balloon. So you might have done this before, but you can charge your balloon by rubbing it on your head. So I'm just gonna rub it on my hair. It'll make your hair messy, but it's fun. So you can just rub the balloon on your hair, and then you can see parts of your hair stand up, and now the balloon is charged. So you see my hair is standing up, and that's because of the electrons from my hair onto the balloon. You might have gone down the slide before in the cold and your hair stands up on your head. That is the same thing that's going on right now. So when you rub a balloon on your head, or if you go down a slide sometimes, your hair will stand up. And that's from electricity. Okay, so for this experiment, we are going to try to pick up pepper using our balloon. So let's make some predictions. Do you think that this balloon can pick up pepper off of a plate? Let's test it out. So I'm just holding the balloon above the pepper. I don't see any pepper on the balloon, so it did not pick up the pepper. But let's charge our balloon using our hair. It might look a little silly, but rub your hair back and forth on the balloon, and the static electricity, let's see. So the static electricity helped pick up pepper off of the balloon from our charged balloon.
For the next experiment, you want to try to bend water using a charged balloon that you rubbed on your head. You can see, as I move the balloon closer to the water, it bends towards the balloon. The water is attracted to the balloon. For the next experiment, let's try to blow a balloon up using a water bottle, baking soda, and vinegar.
All right, now that we have our balloon full of baking soda and our water bottle full of vinegar, we are going to put the balloon on top and let all the baking soda fall down into the water bottle and see what happens. Okay, so you can see that the balloon is getting blown up and the vinegar and baking soda are fizzing, which makes the balloon rise. It's pretty cool.
The baking soda and vinegar react so that the gas in the water bottle fills up the balloon.
Alright friends, so we're all done our balloon experiments for today, so let's review what we learned. We learned how to charge a balloon and about static electricity. We also did some really cool experiments using static electricity, and then another experiment with baking soda and vinegar. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun with this balloon day experiment, and I'll see you next time. Bye!